Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the height new Y60 ATX PC case and Eclipse HG10 gaming headsets. So friend, Height announced the upcoming additions to the product portfolio. Height Y60 ATX PC case and Height Eclipse HG10 gaming headset. So friend, this PC case features panoramic views of the internal components made possible by the bezel-less three-part removable tempered glass panels and flank the side and front of the case. And friend, when the glass panels are removed, chamber molding of the ceiling and floor of the case draw eye inward, creating a modern aesthetic and allowing the system to be display science glass panel and friend designed to exclusively mount the graphics card in a vertical orientation. It comes equipped with 4.0 PCIe riser cable to support the latest and highest performance card on the market. And friend, additionally, it allows for the installation of half-height expansion slot capture cards or PCIe SSDs behind the vertically mounted graphics card. And friend, second height Eclipse HG10 wireless gaming headset will feature a sleek matte lunar grey finish with premium vegan leather lining. The plus form headband and half moon shaped ear cuffs and friend user can comfortably wear the G10 during extended hours of game play without experiencing fatigue and discomfort. And friend, mute and volume controls are continually located on the back to the headset for on the fly adjustment. And friend, for precision sound, it comes equipped with 40 mm new dynamic drives tuned for 20 Hz to 20 kHz and detachable unidirectional microphone for clear communication and mitigate the possibility to the background noise. And friend, it connects via competition grade 2.4 GHz USB Type A wireless transmitter. And friend, it is a market leader in wireless headset, boasting a 30-hour battery life thanks to its high capacity lithium ion battery. And friend, user can connect to the included USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable and continue use without interruption. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.